All right, what's up, guys? So today I'm gonna teach you guys how to use Runway AI, and all you just gotta do is go over to runwayml.com, and you can either sign up with your email account, with your Google account, or with your Apple account. Now, once you sign up, you'll be able to arrive at this dashboard right here. Right now, I'm signed in, so this is the dashboard, and this is what you're gonna see. Okay, so on the left hand side right here, you can see they have a free plan, which is what I'm going to be using to show you guys. You can also upgrade to their standard plan. Obviously, you have to pay for that.
Damn!
And let me not waste your time, and let's just get right into it. So they have different modules that you can try. They have a video to video, so you upload a video and then it gives you another type of video. They have a text slash image to video. They have the one where you can remove the background from the video, remove blur or replace the video background.
Oh my god! Wow!
They have the text to image, so you give it a text and then it generates an image for you, just like you can do with Dolly. They have image to image, so you give it an image and then it turns the image into different type of format that you prefer. And they also have a text to speech, so it's going to generate an audio from your text. Now, the one I'm going to be focusing on in this tutorial is going to be the text slash image to video. So let's just get right into it, okay? I'm going to click on it and it's going to open up. Now it's open. So as you guys can see, you have text, image plus description. Now, if you ever feel stuck, you can always scroll down and get inspirations from all these ones right here. So as you can see the prompt the person gave it, and you just got to give it the exact same prompt. So if you hover over this one, for example, say cells dividing viewed through a microscope, and if you hover over anyone, you see remix, and you can just remix a person's own. Okay, so let's just create ours. Now you're going to click on text just for this one, and then we're going to give it something. So let's say let me just see.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
A fish swimming in a pool. I'm just gonna type it in. Now you can choose the style that you want, and if you click on add style, you'll be able to pick a style. They have 3D cartoon, 3D render, 35 mm, 80s vaporwave, abandoned, abstract sculpture, advertising, anime, architectural, cartoon, cinelens, cinematic, claymation, concept art, digital art, duotone, forest punk, frost, graphic novel, graphite, impressionist, isometric 3D, low poly 3D, macro, marker drawing, moody film, pixel art, retro, sci-fi art, stickers, storyboard, studio headshot, thriller. So any mode or any style that you pick, that is how it's going to end up creating whatever you give it. So for this one, for the first one, we're just going to text out 80s vaporwave. I just want something that looks more like Adult Swim, just to see what it gives you. And now if you click on free preview, it's going to tell you that, they're on a wait time, because, they typically have a whole lot of people using it at the exact same time. So what you just want to do is you want to click on generate 4S. Now you can also change the aspect ratio. So the typical is 16:9. You can also do 9:16 if you want it to go on like a vertical surface like your phone. So let's just go with the 16:9 for this, and then just click on generate 4 seconds. And it's gonna take a minute to generate. And once it's done generating, we'll be back. All right, so it's done. Now let's take a look at it. So this is what it gives me: a fish swimming in the pool. This is pretty nice. This is vaporwave, something like you see on a place like Adult Swim, for example. And by the way, if you want to get access to the top 25 AI tools, I have a link to them in the description below. So make sure you guys go check it out. It's free. And so this is what it gives me in a vaporwave mode. Let me change up the style and give it something else. Let's say I want it in a 3D cartoon, and let me see what it's going to give me with this. And then just going to click on generate 4 seconds. You also can drop a star for them. so that it helps them know what to improve on and what not to improve on. So I'm impressed by this. So I'll just give them 5 star, and then let me just click on generate 4 seconds. Remember what I told you guys? It takes over a minute because we're on the free plan for it to generate. If you go on any of their pro plans, then it's typically gonna take way less than a minute. Sometimes anywhere from 15 seconds to 30 seconds. So let's just wait for this one to generate.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
All right, so now it's ready. Oh wow, look at how beautiful this is. So this is the version of it in 3D. Bro, this is beautiful. I don't really like the movement of the eyes and stuff. That looks quite creepy, but that is still nice. All I just had to do was give it a prompt, and then this is what it gave me. Let me just give it a last one so that we then test out the image plus description. So let me just give it in let me see. Let me see what is nice. I think the thriller one looks nice. Oh, the studio headshot. Let me see. Mini, mini, more.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, let's just go with the thriller one. And then let's just see. Remember, you can always give them something. I'll just give it a 4. Let me just see. Render quality. Send. That's about it. And then we just generate 4 seconds. And then after this, then we'll test out the image plus description. So let's just wait again. And then we'll be back once it's done. All right, so the thriller one is ready. Let's take a look at it. Oh wow, this looks nice. This looks way better than the other 3D one. So I'll have to vote the thriller one. Make sure you guys drop down below in the comments the one you guys prefer the most. I actually prefer this thriller one. It looks very realistic. So this is quite beautiful, I'm not gonna lie. So now let's test out the image one. So I'll give it an image, and then it then creates something out of it. So let me select an image. I already have some images here. Let me see. Let me just pick one. Okay. Let me see what I can get. Okay, let me just give it this right here. Or let me give it this very busy image. And then I'll give it a prompt, the busy image. I will tell it move the texts around. It's an infographic, so let me just see what it does with it. You guys can obviously upload any type of image you have and then just play around with this. So again, it's gonna take 1 minute to work, and then once it's done, we're gonna be back.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
All right, now so it's back. Even before I click on it, it really looks funny. You know how the AI typically writes and stuff. That's just how it looks. It just switched up a bunch of text. But let me just say this. Let me just give a quick review on Runway. For a tool that you just give a prompt to, and then it creates footages for you, I would say it's good. I'll say it's worth it. I would like to see how it's gonna look in the next 5 to 10 years for sure. And I'm pretty sure any of you watching this will probably like to see how it looks the next 5 to 10 years. This rounds up the video. And as I said before, if you guys want access to the top 25 AI tools that you can use, I have a link to it in the description below. And also, if you want to get more and more updates on newest AI topics and new AI tools, just head over to successtechservices.com and check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And make sure you guys try out Runway AI. It's pretty nice. I mean, you guys can see me mess around with it. So make sure you guys try it out too. Thank you guys. I'm going to catch you guys.